Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to make loaf bread. 1 cup lukewarm milk, so we add 2 tablespoons of instant dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar. We make it foamy, so we mix a little and then we set aside. And here we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, so it's sifted already. And we add our 1/4 cup of sugar, and then we add our 1 teaspoon of salt. And we have 1 egg, so we add into the flour and we combine. And we add our 3/4 cup of melted butter. And we put our yeast mixture. So here you go, it's already foamy and it's bubble. So we mix all the ingredients. So we let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes uncovered. We need a dough. So we sprinkle flour in our working table. And we put our dough in the flat surface, a flour table. So here you go, guys. And we use oil for our hands when we knead. So we knead the dough with oil. It will become smooth. And we form a ball. And we put in a bowl. We put a little oil in the top and we cover with cling wrap. And then we set aside and wait until double. It's double already the size of our dough. So we do this. We need a little to deflate the air bubbles, and we divide. We divide the dough. And we make it flat using a rolling pin. Flat again. And we roll. So we lock. And we put in a baking tray. So repeat the process until you are done. There you go, guys. So here you cover with yeast until it's double the size. We have egg and we add 1 tablespoon of milk for the size. Take it out and brush with the Eggwash. So we brush with the preheated oven for 180 degrees. For 15 to 20 minutes. So we turn that. So you go, guys. So our bread is ready. So we take it out from the heat and we put it there. And we put butter. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Here you go. Oh my, very soft.